Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to center align images vertically using PDF element. Open your PDF file. Now select edit option and select this edit option image already selected and select image and click on this image and also select press Ctrl key from your keyboard and hold it and select another one and now click right button and say alignment and this is align vertical center and see this two images now vertically align center. Also select this one and press Ctrl key for keyboard and hold it and click this one and click right button and select properties. This is image properties option. Here also you will find this alignment option. This is vertical center and see this. If you did not find this properties option, click here. Yeah, see this. Our image is now vertically aligned. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.